Welcome everyone. I am today with a video which consists of Pathfinder book. It is mainly used for the examination, that is the NDA. Overall, the defense aspirants should buy this book and check out the problems and questions available. This book costs 775 rupees and it has 1086 pages. This book has every syllabus that needs to be in the NDA question paper. That is the mathematics, general English and general science. Mainly the mathematics consists of the portions that we learned at 11th and 12th NCERT. Then the general science consists of physics, chemistry and biology, and also the general studies none other than the social science. Then the general English is very much useful. If you learn by seeing this book, then you will be getting full mark in the general English. Then these 3 pages is for understanding what NDA consists of and what are the eligibility criteria. Then if you go further, we can see that there are many problems that are given for working out, and also if you go for English, we can see they have given the questions and also the hints to identify the answers for these questions. You should buy this book and check out all the problems that are available, so you will be able to clear the cutoff that is needed for NDA examination. If you have to learn the concepts of some of the lessons, you can come here and see the summaries of the lessons. Then you will be able to crack the NDA examination. Then if we go further, we can see English and the general studies, right? General science, it has physics, right? It has given a summary about the chapter. It is very cut short, so you can be able to understand it easily. Then the chemistry and also the biology, it will be more helpful if you buy this book for your NDA preparation. Then there comes the history. It has the history that are taken place in India and also some of the histories of the world. It mainly concentrates on the modern history of the independence and just before independence. Then the geography consists of first of all the planets, solar system, then earth, then continents, then countries and somehow climates. Then there comes the economy, Indian politics, civics. If you buy this book, you will be able to crack, is my point of view. I will be able to say. So please try to find this book and buy this. You will be able to crack in the examination.